Artificial intelligence has immense potential catering to various aspects of the world, be it economic, environment-related, social or anything for that matter. AI has made taking decisions based on data easier than ever. Machines with deep learning capabilities have changed our lives for better. With this being said, one of the hottest topics that has garnered attention from across the globe is, can artificial intelligence aid in achieving sustainable development goals? Yes, it can. In fact, there are sectors that have already been using this advanced technology of AI in meeting their goals. Some areas where this has proven successful are education. The importance of education can just not be put into words. Not only does it open door to a plethora of career options to choose from, but also grooms you as a person. Gone are the days when getting educated required the presence of someone to guide you through. But today, education is far more accessible, thanks to artificial intelligence. Getting educated without human teachers is probably one of the best innovations AI has come up with in the education sector. It cannot have got any better for the visually challenged students for the sole reason that they too can fulfill their desire of being educated with the help of voice assistants. AI is also capable of monitoring the student's performance from time to time. Recommending content based on the student's past experience is yet another area that AI focuses on. All in all, the future is set to see more number of students getting trained by AI-powered machine tutors rather than human tutors. Agriculture. No matter which country you live in, this sector has a unique importance. It is just not possible to imagine life without this sector. Artificial intelligence can help in detecting diseases in plants and also target weeds. Farmers are now using AI forecasting models to predict upcoming weather patterns, thus enabling them to make better decisions. Health. Needless to say, this is that one sector that people can never get tired of praising. And when the world is shook by a pandemic like the 2020 virus, then the efforts put in by this sector needs no special mention. Since the data pertaining to the healthcare sector is insanely huge, artificial intelligence has the ability to collect and process this data for faster treatment. Coming up with technologies to check whether the person is cancerous or not, to estimate the probability of a person to develop cancer, to name a few, are taking shape because of AI. India is marching towards an AI-driven economy with every passing day. It has partnered with Microsoft to eradicate preventable blindness using an AI-enabled portable eye scanning device that helps detect retinal diseases. In addition to all of this, AI is being used to deal with the cybersecurity attacks in this sector as well. Disaster management. The havoc created by disasters needs no special mention. AI promises to be a savior here as well. It plays a pivotal role in minimizing the damage caused due to disasters. Artificial intelligence helps improve dam and barrage water release to minimize the risks. The above are just few of the many areas where AI has worked wonders. AI has huge potential to serve a lot of sectors. If we come together and put artificial intelligence into its best use, then a better society awaits all of us in the years to come.